Ekero chiskuru ao chigendrete gochengera amachibwayu ya matemu ye Kcse ya 12 nigo gatiye chiskuru chigwetera amakong'u ao nonya chikwenekia amatokea maya ase amatemu unatokumanyiwa n'omurikyo ito Isaiah Maube.
Ekero chiskuru chinyinge chigendete gochengera ogokora chiakora okuya kwa matemu manene yense omwaka bw'echiri 2020 nigo bono chiskuru chinyinge chigendete gwetera amakong'u egento nonya nabo igo bagoteba buna nigo gekore maria ng'anonya na masomo.
Challenges yes we are facing as a school. Now one of them it is inadequate infrastructure. That is with the 100% transition. Now we received many students, and we had to, like in January 2020, we had to ask the primary school, we had to request the primary school, the Kinder Primary, to lend us some 2 classes so that we could be able to use, and we are still using them to date. We do not have enough teachers. Okay, we have our CB is supposed to be case 39. Currently we have 12 Kcse teachers and the rest are BOM. We have quite a number of BOM teachers. So you can see
oburwaire bwa COVID-19 boigo nigo bwakuna mono chiskuru ao egento kieneki anonya n'abana abange konyora maricho na boigo koberanka egike getambe ase bono nonya na boigo bakorete buya asa matemu amanene.
Sio kwa shule sababu hapo kwa shule walikuwa nyumbani na wazazi wao, and you see it was all over. So and at home these girls were growing. We interacted with other learners of the opposite gender and all those. So the results, of course, may not be pleasant always with such kind of interactions. So we had at least quite a few.
Asense moyende eskuru ya maiga eyogotoka ase ward ya Bokimonge imya machoke burabu na yemoye chiskuru chirichire imeyekerbo na boigo koba mbarabare ne chimbebe cha Narok County na boigo Kisii County ase bono omwalimu omokonyi bwo monne bwe skuru yo agoteba buna abana abange nigo bagotika chiskuru na bogo kogenda kuna cha MSC ase chinsemo cha Transmara.
Well, umuchando omonene mono neri ngaki abana to receive bana to konyora ifati abanga okonyora ngani abale babatamagisia rinse lakini ndo muchando yibono kakati ngo gotoka olova tatikali serikali ya tatu ngabano to kulipiti mwa uino muchando ndo kabere noringa ese skuru yere set na se kirugo imbele kare twete kaiga ko kichibuti umana ko karakento ki mana ko topa lakini all the same bananga topa bale bacha abanga bari chide school form 4 buka foto kuanjira baba borders indi twanyara kaba mana bara umega kocha ko baset baka baikere eke wango ba kokora matem mangana discipline na bana bale chide school ni skuru ye by the fetching rangine e border kokenda na Masai okonyara bana bande badali goche skuru bakogenda bachiko na chimbe si Masai na bono imesi asmikwe menge Masai rura banyora bande bachire boda ndo nimbiro ro bono go absenteeism ya bucha yabege kitambe sana kuja kubaleta nakoba somye ndi bakolesira basi
ekerono chiskuru chinyinge chigenderete gokera amatemu manemo yo mwaka w'echiri 2020 eskuru ya maiga nero tetikiri maiga kolende asegoteba buna ngebwate binte binge bikonye kolera chinga kichinyinge chogosoma nyora eskuru ya maiga nigebekire gosegere asekerwo egentononya na boigo gego kongya masomo ekro chinga ki chembura enyinge nakogoteba nga abana banke mbali gwikirana asebirasi egento nonya na boigo gego kiani ogosoma kwabo na boigo koirira amakoro ya matemu manene koirananse n'abantu bense meye nigo bayibori gugotigana nabo igokubwatia emiroberie bekire ngara kwene kingabana ngoikirana bari chiskuru chinga kichonsi nagotiga kubaira ase migondo yabo nakubakori chikondo egento nonya nabo igo gikoirani amasomo inse inkolipoteri egataseni kiagatembe kuroiga ase skuru ya maiga Bokimonge ward mu machoge ya burabu elietariane Isaiah Maube.